Hey guys, I need to answer a question. I had a subscriber wants to know exactly what type of programs these are and how they can make money with it. I'm going to show you that right now. Let's get into it. Okay, what's going on? If you've been following my channel from any time, you know I always talk about the squeeze page setup. But what I don't always mention is how to get this traffic. These programs I'm promoting, guys, show you how to actually find small advertising websites. Okay, it's websites where you can spend around like $5. Okay, and you can drive traffic to your offers. The offers, for example, are paying like $40. Okay, so for $40 per sale, per sale, okay, you're going to basically take $5 of your money, okay, as an investment inside these small, like I said, websites that most people don't know about. They're going to show you how to find the websites, how to set it up when you get to the website, like what to put the data to put in, what to look for, how to calculate everything. And after that, of course, the program that you're going to use. Now, this part can be something that you already have that you want to promote, or it can also be the product that they're a part of that they want you to promote as an affiliate and they'll pay you, right? So you have anyway $40. Okay, this is what we call like buy low, sell high. So this is going to be your buy low at $5, and you're going to be selling it high at 40. Okay, and this is what every business around the world does. It's what commerce is really about. Where it doesn't matter if you were selling newspapers on a corner, on a street corner, you're going to buy them at 25 cents and you're going to sell them for $1.50. Okay. And over time, with enough people per day, you can make somewhere like say $75 just by standing outside, on a Saturday, Sunday morning. You make $75 a day doing things like that because you're of course going to make profit on each paper that you would sell. So this is the same principle. Anytime you go in, you buy like, you buy a handbag, you buy some boots, some shoes, you buy, I had a lawnmower, some tires for your car. It doesn't matter. Everyone that you get your products from are buying from a wholesaler, and they're getting wholesale prices and they're selling it to you at a retail price. So you're getting a markup, anywhere from 50, 75%, So you have to look at it this way. When you get involved in commerce, guys, you are doing the same thing. You're going to buy low. You're going to buy cheap traffic, okay, sources right here. And you're talking about good traffic. Doesn't mean it's bad traffic. It's good traffic, but it's cheap. It doesn't cost you much. If it costs you a lot, then you're going to break even and there's no point, right? So you're going to always find these sources that are going to sell you inexpensive traffic. And of course, you're going to have a product that's going to cost more than the traffic alone. Now, the hard part is knowing where these websites are, okay? And also to knowing the method that they're using, okay? That means that from the psychological standpoint, how it's converting for the customer, what the customer is thinking, what type of customers that they're using, or the actual market that they're trying to attract, how to set up the platforms, these things. That's what you're paying for. You're paying for that knowledge. Okay, so I just want you to have an understanding about that. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, you drive people always to your squeeze page or to your link if you're doing direct linking, and you're getting it from a cheap source and you're selling it high. And at the end of the day, you make money. So in a nutshell, guys, that's it. That's what the programs are teaching you. And there's many different methods to this. So that's why each program can be a little bit different, but they're still going to all show you how to make money online. And that's what it's about. Michael Internet Pro. Click the link below. I'll talk to you later. I'm out.